Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Instagram Reels edits using Premiere Pro settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Name your project and set your desired location for saving it. Once in the project interface, import your video clips by dragging them into the media browser. Select the clips you want to use for your Instagram Reels. Then, right-click and choose Import or simply drag them into your timeline. Next, navigate to the Sequence menu at the top of the screen. Select Sequence Settings to adjust the preset for Instagram Reels. In the Settings window, set the frame size to 1080 by 1920 pixels for a vertical format. Change the frame rate to 30 frames per second to match Instagram's requirements. After adjusting the settings, click OK to apply the changes. Now, drag your video clips onto the timeline to begin editing. To create engaging cuts, use the razor tool to split your clips where necessary. You can enhance your reels using transitions found in the Effects panel. Simply drag and drop your chosen transition between clips on the timeline. To add music or sound effects, import audio files into the media browser. Drag the audio file to the audio tracks in your timeline. Adjust the audio levels by selecting the audio clip and adjusting the volume in the Essential Sound panel. For text overlays, navigate to the Graphics panel and select New Layer. Choose text and type your desired captions or titles. Position the text where you want it to appear on the screen. To animate the text, use the Effects Controls panel to adjust opacity or position over time. Preview your edits frequently by pressing the spacebar to ensure they flow well. Once satisfied with your edits, click on File and then Export. Select Media from the drop-down menu to open the export settings. Choose the format as H.264 for optimal compression and quality. Set the preset to match source high bitrate for the best results. Adjust the output name and location for saving your final video. Click Export to begin rendering your Instagram Reel. After exporting, locate the video file on your computer and transfer it to your mobile device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.